Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can download Facebook videos. So keep watching till the very end. And let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Now, locate the video you would like to download. You can simply go to the Videos tab from the bottom and look for a video. Once you have found the video, open it up, then tap on the share icon at the right side of the screen and copy its link. Once the link is copied, close Facebook app and open a preferred browser. Here, tap on the search bar at the bottom and search for snapsave.app. Give it a go and you will be sent to this page. Now, paste the link you just copied and tap on download. After that, choose the quality and the video will start downloading. Wait for the download to complete and you are done. So that's basically how you can download Facebook videos. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.